How to use split screen on Samsung Galaxy device. If you want to use split screen on Samsung Galaxy device, it's very simple to do so. But before we get started, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to use split screen on your Samsung Galaxy devices, it is very simple to use them. To use split screen, it must be an app that supports split screen. So let's say here I have Instagram. I also want to use split screen along with other apps. I simply have to go to the recent menu like this, then tap on the app icon from the top like this. There you can see the option called open in split screen view. So I can tap on open in split screen view, and from the bottom I can select another app that I want to open, maybe in split screen right there. So let me just go ahead and choose another app like this. And there you can see I've launched split screen. Now I can go ahead and then hold this middle portion to be able to change the size of those split screens as well. One thing is that if I just go to recent menu again, tap on the app icon, I can save this split screen, which means save this as a pair. If I want to go ahead and then basically long press on it, then I'll be able to go ahead and then app pair them. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.